Keep the air in your home moisturized all day with the ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier XL from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and aesthetically pleasing humidifier is packed with smart features that make it the perfect solution for improving the air quality in the dry areas of your home or office. Featuring a large 1-gallon water tank and adjustable steam knob, this humidifier is perfect for large areas such as workspaces, bedrooms, and other rooms up to 500 square feet. The ultrasonic Cool Mist technology safely moisturizes the air for up to 24 hours, allowing for more comfortable work areas and a perfect night's rest. Enjoy a comfortable environment with the included single and dual mist nozzles that dispense the exact amount of desired moisture and can be rotated 360 degrees. The automatic shutoff feature means you will never have to worry about low water levels again. Set the perfect mood and maximize your relaxation with an optional night light in blue, green, or red. This premium humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's extended 5-year warranty, so your satisfaction is guaranteed. The ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier XL from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
To get the most out of your Vicks Mini Filter-Free Cool Mist Humidifier, follow these helpful steps. Make sure your humidifier is on a firm, level, water-resistant surface at least 12 inches from the wall. To fill the water tank, remove the tank from its base using the handle. Turn the arrow towards the open lock symbol to remove the cap and fill the tank with cool water. Make sure that the black cap seal is on and secure the cap by twisting it firmly into the lock position. Set the tank back on the base. Be sure your humidifier is turned off before plugging it in. Then turn the power knob to the highest setting and let it run until a comfortable humidity level has been reached. Once reached, turn the control knob to a lower setting. Your ideal humidity level should be between 40 and 60%. Be sure to direct the mist output away from any walls, furniture, or bedding. To use Vicks VapoPads, open the scent pad door. Insert the VapoPad and then shut the door for hours of soothing menthol vapors. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit VicksHumidifiers.com.